Concrete grade and water cement ratio. What is concrete grade? What is the water cement ratio? What is the relationship between water cement ratio and concrete grade? And many more will be discussed today. I am Prasad from Structural Guide. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. You may get the notification of new videos. What is concrete grade? It denotes the characteristic strength of the concrete in terms of cube strength or cylinder strength. In some standard, they use cube strength for characteristic strength. Some countries they use cylinder strength for the characteristic strength and for the design requirements. Concrete cube. So a cube having dimensions 150 by 150 by 150 millimeter will be used for casting the cube, and it is used to test the concrete. So strength of that cube will be considered as the characteristic cube strength. In cylinders, similarly, a diameter of 150 millimeter cylinder will be used. So this also we cast like a normal concrete. Now when you bring the concrete to the site, you get the sample and you cast the cubes or cylinders, then you test them at the 28 days. You may test at the 7 days for to check the indication of the for to know the development of the strength, but the characteristic strength we consider at 28 days. That is called the concrete grade also. This is very important in structural design because now all the structural design are done based on the concrete grade or the characteristic strength of the concrete. What is the water cement ratio? Water cement ratio is the ratio between water and the cement in the concrete mix. Water cement ratio generally ratio between water and cement as we discussed. So the ratio is most direct relation have a direct relationship with the concrete grade or the concrete strength. Used to specify the concrete mix, because now when you specify the concrete mix we specify the water cement ratio. That is because it's directly related to the concrete strength. Mix designs are initiated with the water cement ratio. We start the mix design with the water cement ratio, and then we move to selecting the material compositions. Concrete grade and water cement ratio relationship. Lesser the water cement ratio, higher the strength of the concrete. Higher the grade of the concrete. Now, when how the water cement ratio become lesser? You have to reduce the water content. It will reduce, or you have to increase the cement content. Relativity increase in the cement content causes the low water cement ratio, and also it leads to the high strength concrete. So higher the cement content, simply higher the strength. In increasing the water content, you reduce the strength of the concrete. Increasing the cement content increase the strength of the concrete. That is the basic principle of this. Concrete grades. Different standards use different norms as we discussed previously. Some are using the cube strength, some are using the cylinder strength. According to BS, they use the cube strength for structural designs. They denote cube strength as C 20, 25, 30, 35, etc. According to the Eurocode, they have different notation. They use both cube strength and cylinder strength. Initially, you write the cylinder strength, then you write the cube strength. As you can see here in the second row, C25 slash C20 slash 25. Here the 20 is the cylinder strength and 25 is the cube strength. So similarly, you can write the 20 30, 30 35. Likewise, there are other weights can be specified. Here the first term represents the cylinder strength and second term represents the cube strength. According to the Indian standard, its notation is somewhat different. They use M instead of C. They use M. M 10, M15, M20, M25. Likewise, they specify the characteristic strength of the concrete. With that, we end the today's discussions. We discussed about the wall cement ratio and concrete grade and relationship between wall cement ratio and the concrete grade. Thank you very much.